going to solve an equation where you have not only rates on both sides, but you also have y-intercepts. So you have variable terms. Yoinks. Oh, I can't highlight both of them at the same time, but there you go. Your two variable terms, yoinks, and then your two non-variable terms. So I need to get all my variable terms on one side and all my non-variable terms on the other. And no, it does not matter what you do. So I'm going to show you one way, but just know it doesn't matter what side the variables go on versus the other. You will get the same answer. But here we go. The first thing I want to do is I want to get all my x's together. So I have a plus 5x over here, right? So think about it. There's 5 pouches over here and 8 pouches over here. So if you visualized that, right, you would cross off 5 pouches on both sides. When you cross off 5 pouches on both sides, right, you're getting rid of 5 pouches. So of 5 pouches. They are crossed off. Subtract 5x on both sides. Or say cross off 5 pouches. And then write down what's left. So now I have all of my x terms on one side. I got to get all of my non-x terms together. So this plus 7, to get rid of that, I would do the opposite, which is minus 7. Right? If you notice a pattern, we're always doing the opposite, right? This was plus 5, so we did minus 5. This was plus 7, so we did minus 7. So I'm going to write what I did. Subtract 7 on both sides. Cool. Now I'm going to write what we got left. Now I'm going to do it. So 3x minus is that 42. Cool. Now, remember, what this really is having 3 x's, right? I'm literally telling you I have 3 x's. And those all have 42 coins. So visualize 3 pouches, and I have to split all of these coins up equally into each of these bags, right? So if you would visualize 42 coins, you would just like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Or I can just divide this 42 into 3 equal piles, right? So that's what this means. It means there are 3 of them, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to divide each side by 3. Divided by 3, divided by 3, and then that means 1 pouch is equal to 14. Oh man, I think that was what the last answer was too. Oh well. So that's our answer. Yoink. Now we're going to check our work. And remember to check the first thing that we do is we go back to the original equation, right? And then since we think x is 14, everywhere there's an x, I replace it with 14. And now I just have to see if both sides equal the same number. Okay, so I do order of operations. 8 times 14 is, stand by, doing some long multiplication, carry the 3, that's 1,102. I'm sorry, 112. Plus 7 equals 49 plus, let's do 5 times 14 real quick. Here we go, that's 20, carry the 2, that's 70, yoinks. Cool, feel free to check my math because I did it not using a calculator, so. All right, now I add these two things together. 112 plus 7 is 119. Now let's hope that this is also 119, and 70 plus 40 is 110, plus 9 more is 119. And so, since each side equals the same thing, 14 must have been the correct answer. Great job, everybody.